thing was good so far. I'm gonna treat it like a pulled pork since I'm doing it for tacos. Usually this would be lard, but today it's tallow. And you know, just kind of gonna braising this, so it's gonna release some more juices. So hopefully I have enough pan here. I'm not worried about this bone too much. 2 sheets of foil and it's tight. And then we're gonna let it go and get nice and tender. We're gonna pull it apart and make some real nice tacos. All right, there goes nothing.